For Mashable, I'm Lauren Goris. If the world is at your fingertips while on the web, then a world of torrents is available on your thumb. Using this script, Pirate Bay user All Is Fine wrapped up the site's 1.64 million magnet links into a 90 megabyte compressed file, 164 uncompressed. That includes all information about the torrents like ID, seeds, leechers, and file size. Essentially, it's a carbon copy of the Pirate Bay on a thumb drive. How's it all possible? Last month, the Pirate Bay announced it would stop posting torrents and switch to a magnet site. The Bay's magnet links are basically a link to a torrent that's not hosted on the site's servers and are very small. The Verge explains the torrent site has the advantage of less potentially incriminating data is stored on the Pirate Bay's servers. It's far easier for them to claim that they're purely a search engine if users don't have to download files in order to find content. The Pirate Bay ran into legal trouble back in 2009. Since then, it's made changes to avoid a repeat offense. Recently, it swapped out its .org domain for .se, the Swedish country code, to avoid U.S. jurisdiction. Now, All Is Fine has shown its magnet site could give any user the ability to maintain and restore the Pirate Bay's torrents should the site ever be taken down. Millions of copies are floating around the web already. Torrent Freak sums up the irony of the zip file, saying, "What's perhaps even more striking is that the greatest arch rival of a billion-dollar entertainment industry is nothing more than 164 megabytes of text." Something to think about. For Mashable, I'm Lauren Goris.